If you are a lawyer, paralegal, or part of a legal team looking to streamline your workflow, then today's video is definitely for you. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into Clio, one of the most popular legal practice management software platforms out there. Now, before you jump in and start using it, there are a few important things you need to know, from its key features and pricing to how it handles client management, billing, and case organization. So we will walk you through what makes Clio a favorite among law firms and also what to watch out before committing. So if you've been wondering whether Clio is the right tool for your firm, make sure to stick till the end because it will help you decide if it's really worth your time and investment. Let's begin. Clio is a cloud-based legal practice management software designed to help law firms and legal professionals manage their cases, clients, documents, and billing all in one place. So basically, it helps law firms organize and streamline their daily operations from client intake to case resolution. Now, before we head over to the products and feature, I want you to take a look into the pricing because it's very important to know which plan would you like to start with. All right. As you may notice, they have different pricing plans, like beginning at Easy Start, $49 per month, and you get to have all these tools and features. If you want to scale up, you might want to go to the Essentials, which is $89 per month. The Advanced plan is around $119, and the Complete package is around $149 per month. The good thing about Clio is that there is an option to try it for free. Okay? Now, I highly suggest to best sign up for a free trial so you can get a hands-on feel of the software before committing to buy it. This way, you'll know if it fits your goals, needs, and learning curve. All you have to do is very simple. You can start a 7-day free trial of Clio. All you have to do is provide all the information needed and follow the on-screen instructions, all right? Once you've done that, you will be forwarded to the platform itself. And as you may notice, the dashboard provides a very clean, user-friendly, straightforward, but very functional. The features can be found at the left side panel of our navigation area we're in. Now, the dashboard gives you the overview of your firm's activity at a glance. You have your upcoming tasks and appointments, billable activities, financial summaries like billable hours, outstanding balances, or maybe quick links to create new matters or invoices. But the thing is, this is a newly created account, so we don't have anything yet in place. But this is going to be your main control center for daily productivity. Now, after that is going to be your calendar, wherein you can manage and view your current dates, client meetings, and deadlines. Say, for example, if you want to create a new event, you can put in the start time, location, description of the said event. Okay? And click the save event, or if you want to save and create another. So we have a new event here about Clio, the legal software review and demo, and what you know before using. And then after that is going to be the task. This is going to be your to-do list manager, wherein you can create a new task. You can set the priority from high, normal, and low. And then you can assign to someone, which is going to be very useful if you are working in a collaborative environment. And then click the Save Task. You can group these tasks if you wanted for recurring workflows like client onboarding and organizing tasks by due date or priority. Now, this keeps your firm's work structured and on schedule. Okay? And then after that, you have the matters. This is going to be the heart of Clio, because they represent individual legal cases or projects. If you want to create a new matter, you can do that. But if you want to use a matter template, you can do that as well. With this, you can store and manage everything related to a specific case. Plus, the contacts stores all clients, opposing counsel, vendors, and other parties wherein you can add, new person, new company, which, by the way, helps to track communication history and notes. So think of it as your centralized client database. Activities is where you can tap all the billable hours and non-billable time entries, expenses, and flat fees, which is, for example, if you want to create a new expense, you can create the expense category here and add a receipt so that you can monitor productivity and billing accuracy before invoicing. Okay? And then we're going to go to the billing. It's kind of like related to activities because this is where you manage invoices and payments. You can generate new bills, you can send new trust requests, and you can track new invoices and record payments. Now, the good thing about this is that you can sync with your accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero, which is really handy. I like it a lot. Now, the account section is focusing on the trust accounting and operating accounts. You can manage client trust funds and retainers, reconcile accounts to ensure compliance with legal trust rules, and of course, it acts as your legal document repository here in Documents. You can upload, organize, and version files and share documents securely with clients via Clio Connect. The good thing is you can connect with Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, and a lot more. And then the communications is where all your client communications are managed. If you want to create a new portal so that you can manage all emails, phone logs, and secure messages, you can do this. So you can keep all communications and attach to relevant matters. And then the reports is where you can provide detailed analytics to the firm. Okay, so it helps matters and measure efficiency, profitability, and compliance. After that is going to be the app integrations, wherein it lets you connect with Clio to other software tools that you might going to be using right now, like Gmail, Xero, Box, Legal Boards, InfoTrack. There is a lot that you can work with. Okay, so with this, it helps you extend and measure efficiency, profitability, compliance, and a lot more. Okay, so it automates workflows and reduces manual work. And then there is going to be the settings where you can control everything behind the scenes like user roles, billings, and permissions. And this is where you tailor Clio to your firm's needs. Now that you have seen the platform in action and how intuitive it is, you can tell it's really easy to navigate with a virtually no learning curve. However, if you'd like to explore further, you can also check authentic user reviews, detailed feedback, pricing information, and potential alternatives to Clio. You can visit trusted software review platforms like here in Capterra and G2.com. Now, let me tell you, these sites provide valuable insights from real users, helping you make a well-informed decision that fits your specific needs and budget. And with that being said, if you are running a law practice and want an all-in-one platform that keeps your matters, contacts, billings, and documents organized, Clio is definitely worth trying. However, before committing, make sure to take advantage of the free trial. Test how well it fits your workflow, especially if you are managing multiple cases or needing advanced billing tools. That way, you'll know if Clio's features and learning curve match your practice's needs. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss upcoming tutorials on other productivity and business tools. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.